that I find it very useful and I like it too. I use what is called Google Alert, right? Just to be up to date with what I think is interesting in the market. There's a lot of noise about recession and all of that, and some of my trade that try to align with what is going on, even though I look at the chart and see, okay, I do try to add some supporting stances towards my chart, towards my trading. So like, for example, I have an alert for recession. So if there's a mention of recession anywhere in the internet, I get an email, right? This is something is like when there's a recession mentioned, I get something like this instant email in my mailbox. You can also say, there's a lot of talk about inflation. Maybe it might be something you are interested in. Okay, you said inflation, then you said create. So if there's a mention of inflation anywhere in the world, you will get a instant notification. If there's an article, someone published something about inflation, straight in your mailbox. The news will come to you about what you are interested in. Then going around and browsing the news, searching for stories about inflation. Say maybe energy, some of the things that I care about or trade around. I have some energy trades around, and all of those things. So I will have an alert on energy, which will all the articles or everything with regards to energy. I would get it straight on my inbox. So I can just create an alert. So even if maybe you want to keep track of someone mentioning your name in your internet, you can create an alert of your name. So anywhere where it's mentioned on blogs or on website, to get an alert and all of those things. I can say Russia. Maybe I want to create an alert with the regarding what's going on in Russia. I can say Russia. We can create an alert with let's just specifically get us news around Russia. You can do another one, say like whatever that you want to do, any alert. So I will get information about Russia, I'll get information about energy, I'll get information about inflation directly in my mailbox. I find this very useful than going around and browsing. You can even just, without reading the whole newsletter or the whole article, you can just browse by headlines and just see where the mood is about, where the thinking is about. It's a very nice tool.